Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you enjoy these videos, don't forget to subscribe. I share content that's easy to follow and worth your time. Let's get started.
Adding a Canva email signature to Apple Mail is a simple process that makes your messages look professional. First, open Canva and design your signature using one of their many templates. Once your design is finished, click the Share button in the top right corner and select Download. Choose the PNG or JPG file type and save the image to your desktop or a folder where you can find it easily. Now, open the Apple Mail app on your Mac computer. Click on the Mail menu in the top left corner of your screen and select Settings. In the window that pops up, click on the Signatures tab located at the top. Choose the email account you want to use on the left side of the window. Click the plus icon to create a new signature and give it a descriptive name. Delete any default text that appears in the signature preview box. Open the folder where you saved your Canva image and drag that file directly into the empty signature box. If you want the image to be a clickable link, highlight the image in the box, go to the Edit menu, and select Add Link. Type in your website URL and click OK. Make sure the Choose Signature drop-down menu at the bottom is set to your new design so it appears automatically. Close the Settings window to save your changes. Compose a new email to verify that your new Canva signature looks exactly how you want it. This quick update gives your emails a modern look that stands out and helps build your brand identity.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.